Hey guys, it's Agatha here with 360 Booth Expert. Today we're going to go over a quick tutorial that I think every photo booth owner should know. And this goes for 360s and for photo booths. At every event, right at the end of the event I should say, the customer that hired you or the host or a lot of the customers will ask you, how do I get access to all of the videos? Okay, so that's a huge one. So what you're going to do is you're going to provide them a link to every single video and photo that they took. So how to do that is you're going to go to your TouchPix account and you're going to go to events and you're going to select the event that you ran. So in this case, I'm going to run my Carnival Covina. I'm going to click on gallery, and this is where you'll have access to all of the videos that you guys did throughout the night. Okay, now one thing that you can do that's really fast is you can click on this public URL and you can copy this link right here, right on the top. You can copy it or you can cut it, however you want to do it, and then you can generate an email and saying, hey Mr. Customer, thank you for booking 360 Booth Expert. Here is a link to the gallery where you and your friends can access all of the videos. And when they click on that link, this is what they'll get access to. They can come in, they can download their pictures and videos directly. And you'll see here they could also email it and they can download the videos directly here. Okay. Now let's say, for instance, you don't want to give them that option and you want to give them an option that's specifically to link to your website, right? So like what I do on my website is I have a link. This is a link to my website, and it'll have every single event that we've ever done. And you can click on one of these events, and they'll have all the photos and videos directly, in there for all your customers to see. So you can ask the customer, hey, would you like this to be displayed? Do you want this to be private? You can totally do that. But the cool thing too is, like, if you're doing photos, which is my favorite, they could actually buy photos here. And then they can print them on like canvases, on different things. And like this I think they charged me like $160 for the year. Totally worth it. It's unlimited storage, but like this gives your customer like a bigger feel. Like you're able to print, the company prints it for you and ships it for you, and you just make a commission. So not only do you have this like awesome way to provide to show off your your different event gallery. It makes you just look so much bigger than what you are, and a lot of people appreciate the fact that you're giving them a gallery of every single photo. So yeah, this is one way to do it, and I'm going to show you guys how to upload it to your own personal site. So number one, we'll go to download right here. This is the second option. You're going to click on download. It'll download the gallery. It's going to ask you to type in your email if you haven't done so already, and it's going to save it to your computer. So once you click on download, right? So I click on download, it's going to download to your computer, and it will give you a zip file. Okay. Once you click on the zip file, you double click it and you open it, and literally every single video is now on my computer. So show you really quickly. Downloads. So this was the original file that they had sent me, the zip file. So it's 1.24 gigs. I double clicked on it, and then it now gave me this uncompressed version. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my account over here on SmugMug, and I'll give you guys the link that you guys can you guys will get 20% off, which it'll give you that $160 for the year, unlimited storage. So you're going to log into your SmugMug account, hit upload, and we are creating a new gallery, yes. And then we can label this Carnival Covina 2022 and hit create. Now it's going to ask me where's your photos. We're going to click on browse. This is the event folder, and then what I'm going to do is just Command A or Control A if you're using Windows or Mac, select them all and hit open. It's now going to download all 59 files into that folder, which will then give me one of these. So now if I refresh this, you'll see that I have Carnival Covina has already been loaded for me, and all my photos and videos are now being uploaded here. So that's another way that you can do it. However you want to do it, it's totally up to you. But get in the habit of downloading it, because if you ever decide to cancel your touch pics, you're not going to get access to these videos. So be sure to do that for every single event that you guys do. So if you guys have any questions, feedback, or anything like that, please feel free to comment below, hit us up. We'll be able to help you out. Alrighty guys, thank you for your time.